Hello Suzamin, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn numbers in German 1 to 20. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be counting like a German. So without further any bakwas, let's jump in.
This is Swapnil, and please subscribe to SwapEnglish channel.
You are a memorable person, yes.
Have you met him?
No, I haven't met him.
One last question. So how did you meet your love?
How did I meet my love?
Yes.
What is your experience to visit India?
So everything was very colorful.
Yeah.
People were extremely nice to us.
This is SwapNeil, and he's doing such an amazing job. And if you like this video, subscribe to SwapEnglish channel.
Oh, thank you so much.
Is that
Yeah. In case if you are wondering why I am making videos on this topic, it's because I'm also learning German at Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Aurangabad. Yes, I am also a learner. So today we are going to start with the Zahlen. Zahlen. Numbers are called Zahlen in German. So we start with the 0. 0 means null. Null means 0. So you have to repeat after me, then it will help you. Otherwise there is no other way to learn that. Okay. Null means 0. And 1 is called eins. Eins. Okay. Repeat after me. Eins. 2 is called zwei. Zwei. Okay. Zwei. The Marathi is there. Zwei. Zwei. Little bit like you can heard. Zwei. Okay. Zwei. And third one is easy. Third is easy. 3 is easy like dry. 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 Dry means the cold, the dry one, the dry clothes or something like that. And the next one is kinda scared, like fear. Fear. Don't scared. Fear means 4. Okay. And V is called F. First sound is there. If there is a V, then they call it F. Sorry, yeah, F. Fear. Okay. 5 is Fünf. Fünf. You can see the 2 dots on U. It's umlaut. Umlaut means they have special articles, not articles but vowels and vowels. Okay, so that's called umlaut. Okay, so six means six. I'm not saying what you are thinking, but it's six, not you are thinking. So 7 one is quite similar, like sieben. Okay. And the 8th one like acht. You have to press over here, not press, you will die. Like we have to give a pressure over here. Acht. And 9 is easy one. Neun. We have to neun. Okay, 9. And next is 10. 10 is Zen. Just remember the Zen 10 because this number will gonna repeat again and again. Okay, like you will see in further. Okay, the 11 is elf. 12 is 12. 13 is dry zen. Remember what I told you. Remember 10. So dry means 3 and zen means 10. So 13, it's together 13. So it follow the same pattern till 19. Like 13's dry zen. 14, what I told you, 4 is called fear. Okay, fear zen. 5 zen. 6 zen. Zib zen. But 6 is the here. The yes is drop over here. Just remember that. Okay. So zib zen 17. Zib zen. Okay. Act zen. 9 zen. And 20 is zwanzig. I hope this might help you. Just repeat after me, and there is no other way. Okay, I have learned that by repeating it again and again. It happened with every language. Okay, so I will repeat it once for you, once last time. So null, ein, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, dry zen, 4 zen, 5 zen, 6 zen, 7, and also I forgot 8 zen, 9 zen, and 20. That's all. Only two numbers are changed over here. You can see like zip zen and zeg zen. The zex means 6. The yes last x is dropped and zip en is dropped over here in 17 and 16 like zip zen and zex zen. So it's zex. That was the part I forgot to tell you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you didn't get bored in my class. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and we will meet tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but whenever I will make videos on this topic. But I will repeat whatever I have learned or I will learn in German class. So stay tuned till then. Bye bye. See you. Keep learning German. There is the most opportunity. There are many opportunities in German. So let's see. Auf Wiedersehen.